Welcome to Would You Rather Questions for Kids, Animals, and Nature, Talking Animals. Get ready to dive into a world where animals talk, joke, and challenge your imagination. Are you brave enough to choose between wild and wacky animal adventures? Talk to a squirrel that tells jokes all day, or a parrot that repeats your words in a silly voice. Have a dog that speaks fluent human, or a cat that sings opera? Hear a rabbit rap about carrots or a cow sing country songs. Chat with a penguin about ice skating tricks or debate with a monkey about bananas. Listen to a snake gossip about the jungle or hear a bear tell bedtime stories. Argue with a raccoon about stealing snacks or laugh with a donkey about silly jokes. Hear a dolphin joke about fish or listen to a fox brag about being clever. Have a turtle give you life advice or a llama roast you with funny insults. Hear a goat's theory on why grass tastes best, or listen to a sheep explain why clouds look like wool. Debate with a rooster about the best way to crow or argue with a peacock about which feather is prettiest. Talk to a giraffe about tall tales or a penguin about sliding tricks. Laugh with a kangaroo about bouncing or joke with a snake about slithering. Hear a lion roar happy songs or a wolf howl love songs. Argue with a donkey about carrots or a sheep about wool. Debate with an owl about bedtime stories or a bear about hibernation. Hear a dolphin tell jokes or a turtle tell riddles. Chat with a rabbit about jumping high or a squirrel about climbing fast. Talk to a goat about mountain climbing or a frog about lily pad jumping. Listen to a fox tell sneaky stories or a raccoon tell food tales. Have a bird teach you singing or a monkey teach you dancing. Be as fast as a cheetah or as strong as a gorilla. Climb like a monkey or swim like a dolphin. Fly like an eagle or run like a horse. Sing like a canary or roar like a lion. Have the memory of an elephant or the vision of a hawk. Be as clever as a fox or as brave as a bear. Hunt like a wolf or hide like a chameleon. Talk like a parrot or dance like a peacock. Swim as deep as a whale or jump as high as a kangaroo. Be as sneaky as a raccoon or as loyal as a dog. Be a cat stuck in a tree or a dog lost in a park. Eat bugs like a frog or grass like a cow. Sleep all winter like a bear or stay awake all night like an owl. Be a fish in a small tank or a bird in a tiny cage. Be chased by a pack of wolves or a swarm of bees. Lose your stripes like a zebra or your horn like a rhino. Be too slow like a sloth or too loud like a donkey. Have tiny legs like a penguin or a giant neck like a giraffe. Be covered in feathers like a bird or scales like a snake. Be as smelly as a skunk or as prickly as a porcupine. Write a story with a talking tiger or a song with a singing seal. Draw a cartoon about dancing penguins or a comic about laughing llamas. Imagine a dog that tells bedtime stories or a cat that recites poems. Make up a rap battle between frogs or a singing contest between parrots. Create a secret code with dolphins or a treasure map with raccoons. Invent a dance with a kangaroo or a game with a clever fox. Tell a joke to a grumpy bear or a riddle to a wise owl. Make a cheerleading team of squirrels or a marching band of rabbits. Write a diary from a giraffe's perspective or a monkey's perspective. Design a fashion show with flamingos or a circus act with elephants. Have a tea party with a polite panda or a picnic with a chatty chimp. Listen to a turtle explain ancient stories or a parrot gossip about the jungle. Talk to a horse about running fast or a rabbit about hopping high. Share secrets with a clever raccoon or jokes with a grumpy goat. Discuss space travel with a wise owl or underwater adventures with a dolphin. Sing a duet with a musical nightingale or rap with a funky frog. Argue with a squirrel about acorn hoarding or a bear about honey stealing. Tell ghost stories with a brave lion or adventure tales with a daring eagle. Debate inventions with an inventive octopus or fashion with a stylish flamingo. Hear a donkey's hilarious jokes or a wolf's mysterious howls. Hear a whale explain ocean secrets or an eagle describe flying high. Talk to a cat about life at night or a dog about loyalty. Learn wisdom from an ancient turtle or courage from a mighty lion. Ask a giraffe about seeing the world from above or a mole about digging tunnels underground. Hear a wolf's thoughts on teamwork or an ant's advice on hard work. Discuss adventure with a curious raccoon or survival with a crafty fox. Discover a parrot's view on talking too much or an owl's thoughts on staying quiet. Debate with a dolphin about friendship or a bear about hibernation. Hear a peacock's thoughts on beauty or a skunk's opinion on being misunderstood. Ask a spider how to weave webs or a beaver how to build dams.
That was awesome. Thanks for playing Would You Rather. Comment your favorite answer below, like this video if you had fun, and hit subscribe for more.